Larry, can we get your reaction to the market yesterday? Does it give the president concerns about escalating his trade war and about imposing the tariffs against China?
We've had a fabulous market. Agreed, it was quite volatile yesterday. These things come and go. I think the president's view has always been that we have negotiated in good faith. We want to continue to negotiate in good faith with the Chinese. Unfortunately, his view is we didn't make any progress at the Shanghai meeting, so he took an action. Disappointment about the lack of ag purchases and the fentanyl issue, which is a heartfelt issue to the president. So he's here to protect America's economy. He's here to defend America's economy. And part of that, of course, is to try to generate or regenerate a free, fair, reciprocal, lawful trading system to do that. And this is a transformative president. China's slashing its prices. That's killing their profits in their companies. Production and supply chains are moving out of China. We have elasticity of demand. Our importers can shop elsewhere outside of China. That's hurting China. The economic burden is falling vastly more on them than us. Now, as far as the rest of the world goes, we're going out to the G7 in a few weeks in Biarritz, France. I wish we could go back to the old G7 ways. I'm old enough to remember they started in the mid-'70s. I used to write about it when I was a younger man, and talk about economic growth worldwide. Pouring money and devaluing currencies is not the answer. Lower tax rates, creating incentives, deregulating labor and energy markets everywhere, and fair trade. Those are the things that our allies should be looking at. But I agree, they're in poor shape economically. We're in great shape economically, and frankly, the biggest loser is China right now. Yes. We are planning for the Chinese team to come here in September.
Is there anything tangible right now with the trade discussions between the U.S. and China that can be viewed as optimism, that can be viewed as maybe there's a way forward or a way out, or are we totally boxed in?
No. The door is open for additional negotiations. We are planning for the Chinese team to come here in September. Now, they are meeting, they have their sort of leadership enclave for about 10 days. I think it's already begun. And then they'll come out of that, still be ahead of the September 1 tariff deadline. And we hope they'll come here, and we hope we can have some very positive results in the negotiations. That's an optimistic view. The president himself has said that we're open to negotiations. He would like to make a deal. He has said that many times, but it must be a deal in our interests as well as theirs. And again, my other theme, president's defending the American economy. But sure, negotiations are always available, and that could lead to good things. So if there's any consumer impact, it's very, very small. Meanwhile,